it's a game model we are trying to develop. And in developing a new game model, I mean, players would have to try and think the way the coach thinks, believe in the way the coach believes football should be played. And they are not used to the game model. So bringing in new players, trying to blend them with the old guys. Hitherto, the old guys didn't have any game model. So I'm bringing in a game model. So it is my responsibility to ensure that they understand the game model, the concept within the game model, how to get it defensively and offensively. So to me, even though those who came in are many and those who were also left are many, I think as games unfold, they are going to understand themselves automatically without even thinking about what decisions to take. It's early in the process. Possession with purpose, trying to carry the ball, circulate the ball from the back through the middle of the park to the final third. That's the sort of game model.